In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank transaction in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to remove an unwanted bank feed item so it doesn't flow into your books or your reconciliations. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing in as you normally do. From the main dashboard, head to the Bank Transactions area. Depending on your layout, this may appear under Transactions or Banking on the left menu. This page is where QuickBooks lists the items it pulled in from your connected bank or credit card accounts. Once you're on the bank transaction screen, make sure you're looking at the correct connected account if you have more than one. You'll typically see tabs like For Review, Categorized, and Excluded. The For Review tab is the staging area. Transactions here are not yet in your books. That's important because the action we're about to take removes an item from this list without adding it to your accounting records. Find the transaction you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, adjust the date range, or use search and filters to narrow things down by amount, description, or payee. Take a moment to confirm the details so you don't remove the wrong item. Double-check the date, the dollar amount, and any memo or bank text that helps you identify it. When you're sure, click on the transaction to open its details. This lets you see exactly what QuickBooks imported and verify that it's truly a duplicate, an error, or something you don't want to add to your books. With the transaction selected, choose Exclude. In QuickBooks, excluding is effectively how you delete a bank feed item from your review queue. It doesn't delete anything at your bank. It simply moves the item out of For Review and into the Excluded tab, so it won't be categorized, posted to your accounts, or included in your reconciliations. Think of it as telling QuickBooks, ignore this one. If you ever change your mind, you can visit the Excluded tab and restore the item back to For Review. That way you're not permanently losing information. You're just keeping it out of your books until you intentionally add it. To recap, open QuickBooks, go to Bank Transactions, click the transaction you want to remove, and then click Exclude. A quick tip, add a short internal note or keep a log explaining why you excluded the item, especially if you work with a team or an accountant. Clear documentation helps everyone understand your decision later.